Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use creatine best way. First, understand that creatine monohydrate is the gold standard, backed by extensive research for its effectiveness and safety. It's crucial to choose a high-quality product to ensure purity and potency. We'll cover the initial loading phase, which helps saturate your muscles quickly, and then move into the daily maintenance dose. Getting this right ensures you maximize the benefits for strength and muscle growth. The loading phase is designed to rapidly increase your muscle creatine stores. For 5 to 7 days, you'll take 20 grams of creatine daily. It's best to split this into 4 separate 5-gram servings throughout the day to improve absorption and minimize potential stomach upset. Mixing it with a carbohydrate-rich drink, like juice, can further enhance uptake into your muscles. This quick saturation prepares your body for the maintenance phase. After the loading phase, a daily maintenance dose of 3 to 5 grams is sufficient to keep your muscle creatine levels elevated. Consistency is more important than timing, so take it whenever it fits best into your routine. While some studies suggest a slight benefit to taking it post-workout, the overall effect is minimal compared to consistent daily use. Just make sure you're taking it every single day for the best long-term results. Creatine offers significant benefits, including increased strength, improved power output, and enhanced muscle growth. It's one of the most effective supplements for athletic performance. Generally, creatine is safe for healthy individuals when taken as recommended, but always consult a healthcare professional if you have concerns. Remember to stay well hydrated while using it. Also, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.